kings and queens, welcome once again to Elizar's Kitchen, and today I'm going to bring to you all my quick and easy yet tasty okra stew. And for this, the ingredients we'll be using today is my lamb, my chopped okra, I have some shrimp, palm oil, here is my salted fish or cured fish that's going to accentuate our umami flavor. We have our ginger, garlic, some habanero peppers. I've got my tomatoes, 2 types of onion, because one will be for garnishing and one will be for cooking. All right, and then I have my chopped spinach as well. Not forgetting our palm oil also. That's going to make our okra even taste better. So come with me, let's start making this tasty deliciousness. We're going to begin by steaming our meat, and I'll add my lamb to the pan. I've washed it and cleaned it very well. So all I'm doing is adding it in here. We're also going to add our diced onions. Garlic and ginger and shallots have been blended, so we'll add that in here as well. We're going to go in with our Elizar's all-purpose seasoning. The last thing we are going to add is our rosemary, because rosemary is always good for your meats. And we're going to turn the heat on and allow this to cook until our lamb is tender. So at this point that my lamb has been cooking for about 10 minutes, you can see the seasoning has penetrated. I kept it covered on medium heat, so now I can add water. Keep steaming it, okay, until it gets to my desired tenderness. If you want your meat to be very soft and tender, then you keep cooking it to your desired tenderness. Alright guys, so our lamb has been cooking for about 20 minutes and I think it's just about done. This is what it looks like. It's nice and tender, and while we got that going, we're going to move on and work on our okra. And here's my saucepan. We're going to turn the heat on and we'll add about 2 cups of water to the okra. Alright guys, now that the okra is on this, I've added the okra to the pot and it's cooking, we're going to add some bicarbonate of soda or baking soda. This helps to get that draw that you want when you're making okra. Those of you who are from Africa, you understand what I mean. If you want your okra to have that draw, you add just a pinch of baking soda to it. Alright guys, so we have our pan on fire, and to begin making our okra stew, the base of our okra stew, we're going to add our palm oil to the pot. Palm oil is heated and melted. We're going to add our salted fish. Allow it to fry in the palm oil for about 1 or 2 minutes. Then we're going to go in with our onions. Then now guys, after the onions have been frying for a while, we're going to go in with our lamb. Remember the lamb that we steamed? We just want it to have that crunch in the pot. Okay, so we are going to let it do what it does. And while that is going on, here is our okra My okra is boiling. It's looking good. You don't want to overcook your okra, but this is what it looks like so far. It's looking really good. We're gonna go in with our spinach, our chopped spinach, and those frozen. If you have fresh spinach, even better. But this is frozen, so I'm gonna add the frozen spinach in there and allow it to cook together with my okra. As soon as this is melted, I'm gonna turn the heat off because I don't want my spinach to overcook all the okra, because then you lose all the nutrients in there, and that's not what we're trying to do. So guys, like I said, you don't want to overcook your okra and your spinach. So now it's time to turn the heat off, because it is going to cook in our pot again. Our spinach is all melted away, and our okra is looking real good right now. Now it's time to add our diced tomatoes as well. Then we're going to add our shrimp as well. I'm also going to add some herring and shrimp powder dried. And the sauce. In the stew, and we'll allow it to continue simmering. At this point, you can go ahead and taste it and make sure everything is, tasting good, or if you need any more pepper, you need any more salt, you can adjust it to your taste. Okay guys, so now our meat and our shrimp has been cooking in our tomato base for a while, and it's time to add our okra in here and spinach. We're going to stir it and allow everything to combine beautifully. Look at those beautiful colors, guys. Isn't that beautiful? And we're just going to stir and fold them over until they're all well incorporated in the pot. Like I said, we are having our okra stew with some semolina fufu.